Hey guys, look where I'm at, and look who I'm with. And we're gonna go to some places that we're gonna show you.
Fidgets.
We're gonna go to Fidget Place first. So yeah, let's go. We're also not gonna run because I don't feel like running, but we're gonna show you. You can hold it and you can. So no, Journey, you're not running because you can't leave us. And then no, because I don't feel like running. Okay, Ruby's gonna hold it. She's gonna show you how we're walking and stuff. And we gave all of our bracelets away, and we also have no more. So yeah, that's good. Well,
I have a bunch of bracelets. I have a bracelet.
This is the one that I made her, and then this is Journey's.
Strawberry.
So we're walking. It's a long walk,
Which it only takes 5
it
minutes.
takes like 5 minutes to get there from camp.
This is the cake.
So we're gonna go.
Strawberry.
I'll tell you
Strawberry.
when we're close. We're gonna go look at the fidgets, and then we're probably gonna go to the music. I got my bag. Okay. So
We're going to get samples of honey.
yeah, we're going to get samples of honey.
If we can help in the.
Yeah, because the girl
It's like a barn.
that has the fidgets needs like 30 minutes, and we saw.
Like there's so many fidgets. She has a squishmallow.
I know. So we're gonna go and see if we can help with the honey stand. Well, honey bar. So I'm gonna show you the front. And yes,
It's not really a bar. It's a
we,
barn.
barn. We are going. Hi. Everybody's so nice here.
I have my phone.
So,
What the?
oh, there's gonna be some live music. So we'll show you that too. Oh, it smells like burgers.
For dinner, we're having hot dogs.
Yeah. Alright, so we got like these cookies. So good.
I'm getting more.
She's getting more. We're gonna go back, and I'm just refilling my stuff. And we're putting my back in here, and we'll set my phone in here. So we're gonna film when we're on our way. Alright, we're gonna go back to the garden, or to the fidgets. Fidgets, see if they're open. Alright, we are currently walking to the garden.
Not the garden.
Or the fidgets. And
Hello, girls.
hi. It is 3:46. And their friend is coming. Is your friend gonna be like, okay, let's look at the gardens. Or not the gardens. Is the fidgets open? They're still not open.
Let's go find her.
No, not yet. All right.
Let's see if she's in there.
Yeah, let's go check if she's in there. Okay, tell your mom that they're not open.
No, because then she's gonna think we're coming back.
All right, so the fidgets are currently closed still. So we're looking at some shops. Let's get out of here.
Doing?
None of this stuff is our size. Jordan, come on, let's go. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna look at, oh gosh. Me and her looked at these $50 today. And this is literally $50. And this is $15. Jeez. And this is $50. And let's look at the rest. Oh, I am here with Ruby. Second day of a harvest. We are in this haymaker right now. And
It's so bright.
it is so bright. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna go walk around later with Journey. I saw she got that mini little thing.
I have one too.
Oh, you do?
No, yellow.
Oh. Okay. Well, we're gonna go watch some of these videos from 2019. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, I have 2 special guests. So what's your name? Ruby. And Journey. So we're gonna be doing Who Knows Nora Best, Ruby or Journey? So let's get No.
All right, we're done watching those videos. What's your opinion? Cringe.
Yes.
Cringe. And also, where's from behind? Whatever.
Because
Okay, and also, our voices
are so different.
are
now.
like so much like.
No,
like,
Journey
no.
though.
Yeah, her voice is so like high
Funny.
pitched.
Yeah, she's like this.
Yeah.
Wait, let's do the one where we said no.
No.
No, you were like no.
No.
No. Yeah, no. I was like, no. Okay. We're gonna film. We should go ask our moms if we can go walk around. Can we? Yeah. Let's go walk around. Okay. Let's go.
We can bring my 2 fidgets.
Because I have like. Wait, where would we go if we did walk around?
We could just walk around.
Okay.
Oh, guess what? The fidget store is open.
Oh, it is? Yeah. We should go play with the fidget.
It opened like earlier than yesterday.
We should go show you
No,
the
guess what? It opened at
Because my phone
9.
was. Really? Were you guys playing with it when you got up? Okay, well, we're gonna go to the fidgets. I'm gonna bring my phone with me. I might bring my back. Well, actually, I'll film in a minute. All right, we're back.
I'm gonna film.
Yeah, she's gonna film. But we're going to walk
The fidget place.
the fidget place.
Always.
So we can, go play with the fidgets, and we're gonna show you. Put it like this. Yeah, put it like that.
No.
So, yeah, we're going to walk. Oh my gosh, hold it up like this. Yeah, we're going to film in the fidget store. There's so many.
No, guess
so
what? There's
many.
a skeleton now. A skeleton one where you have to like bend the arms and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay, pause. We're gonna
No.
see one. Okay, fine.
Okay, so there's so many people in front of us. Like, look at that.
I have absolutely no money, people. Let's see how much money I have.
Like,
I
no.
have like $2. Oh, I
Yeah.
actually have no money. No money. Empty wallet.
Empty. Why do you have no money?
Because I spent it all.
Oh, other cookies.
Yeah, and I also got the other stuff. She also got, she got these with it. She got this one.
This one, that one glows.
Cookie board?
And then this came with it.
And I
Okay, sure.
don't want to listen.
And then I got this like slug thingy.
Is it stuck?
Whatever. Wait, no, yeah. Here, so
I'm gonna tell you guys when we get back from and we're in the fidget. There's some loud music, that's why. We're going to the fidget store. I just did. Going in. We'll show you some of our favorite things. We're gonna go check if the popsicles are here because I love those popsicles so much.
Want a sample of honey?
We already got one though.
Yeah, we're going to want one to get one this morning too.
Did they let you?
Yeah. Really?
Okay, well let's first. Yeah, okay. We're gonna go get a sample of honey. So I'll tell you how it is when we walk there. No, because I don't want to film in there. So yeah, I will. I'm just filming it for the film. Okay, we're back with Journey. Journey, you have to watch the video in 2019.
yes.
What? I have a video of us in 2019 at Harvest. I know. So we're getting tea. Me and Ruby are gonna get this roast
Journey
tea.
doesn't
Well,
like
it's
it.
gross. Journey doesn't like it.
Gross.
But that's okay. Because we want to get it. Are the popsicles there? I think they're not. That's so sad, but it's okay. What? Oh, you dumped it out. She dumped
I
it
went
out.
like this.
Okay.
You guys even noticed?
Yeah, well, I heard something. I was just like, oh. We're walking back to ask our parents if we can get $3 to get. Oh, yeah, three to Sharon. To get the rose. It's like a tea. That's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. You didn't like it, did you? You should try the other one. We sampled the 2 other ones.
Yeah.
They were okay. They weren't the best, but they also weren't the worst. So, yeah. We're walking. I'm not going to film anymore because I don't want to. All right, guys. We got lots of glitter on me. And you got... Oh, wait. You don't have any glitter. You got glitter, right? Yeah, she got glitter. We're going to check. There's going to be some honey popcorn. So we're going to check.
No, it's not honey. It's just regular
All
popcorn.
right, okay. We're going to check if the popcorn is ready. Because...
Feel this.
It's wet.
I know, I felt it. We got our tea. You coming, Journey? She's got her $4. Do you have your other money in there too?
No.
No? Oh.
My mom's by the stage, so I'll grab it.
Okay. Well, first let's go to the beach thing and then we can go. Ruby, wait up for us.
That's where that's gonna have to start.
Alright. I'm going to tell you when we're in the bee store and we'll show you the machine. But it might not be even ready yet. So, oh my gosh, I love my glitter.
To the fidget store if it's not ready.
Well, we're going to go get Journey's money to buy something at the fidget store. Wait, how much money do you have, Journey?
15.
No, like for
15.
the stuff at the fidget store.
15.
$15? Okay.
We're getting 2 things. I'm pretty sure I don't have it.
Okay. It's not done, I don't think. Oh, it's going. So, yeah. Okay, we got the
I
popcorn.
live by Big Bowl.
We're basically eating all of it. And drinking. Okay, so we got cinnamon and regular, right? Yeah.
We got this in one because
We have the cinnamon one.
it's so good.
Yeah, I know. We're walking back to camp to do nothing. Because I kind of just want to chill for it, but then we can.
Wait, what's the cream again?
What? What'd you say? Who?
The one that you're trying to ball to?
Oh yeah. Well, we'll tell you when we're back at camp because we have like another camp to go.
Same circle size.
We literally ate all of the popcorn.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You already ate all the popcorn.
almost all of it. Want the rest of it? No? Do you have any more yours?
I don't know where my popcorn went.
Oh. Did you not like the cinnamon one? We're back at camp. Don't forget. Oh yeah, I do.
You just going to a brownie.
I'll be back. Back to our vlog. We got Journey's popcorn right here. We're vlogging. Our vlogging. We're filming and I got glitter all over my face. And we're here with 2 other people. Not Journey. Got Ruby and Nellie. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi now. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Okay, we're in the hammock. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're in a hammock. Say hi, happy harvest. Say happy harvest. Say happy harvest. Okay, well, Ruby's gonna do some flips and tricks. Right, Ruby?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get on to it. Don't worry about it being sick. I'm so
Flips and tricks. I like doing this.
There's her flips and tricks, y'all. Is she gonna get back? Get her back. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, we should get out. Get out, Nellie. Get out.
I can't.
Ruby! Get back in. She says it like Journey does. Ruby! Say Ruby. Hey guys, so I'm editing this video 2 years later because I forgot to ever edit this. But this year there's no harvest and it's like about the time that there would be harvest. It's like September like 15th. And this is when harvest would have been. So I just wanted to look back. Here's a little throwback. I realized that I never closed out the video. So bye guys. Well, yeah. Love you guys and yeah.